Hello, 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 my friends. I'm back. I realize I've been missing in action. I had a really bad case of bronchitis and I'm still coughing a little, but I'm hoping to get through this intro without coughing all over you. So let's get started. Today's video is going to be my first for 2023. I am resetting my entryway for winter. All the Christmas is gone. Now it's time to clean and mop up all the glitter and that sort of thing. And that's what I'm doing. I'm so glad I enjoyed my Christmas decorations. I'm glad you guys did too. Thanks for all the positive feedback. But I'm glad to reset my home. Today's video is also a collaboration, and I am collabing with the host who is Penny at Penny's Lifestyle Living. The co-hosts are Deborah Kabasa at Home Living, Buckeyed Girls, the Work From Home Wife of Atlanta, and J Mom Creations. All of these ladies are great YouTubers. They have wonderful channels. I will leave a link to their YouTube channels below, and I know you will enjoy their channels. So after watching this video, please follow the playlist and check them all out and tell them that I sent you. Now let's get into doing this video and refreshing for winter. It's time, people. It's time. I'm so glad to be back. Yay! So my friends, if you've been following me for a while, you know that my entry is not a large one, but I do like to set it for each season, or just make it look pretty. And so after getting rid of all of the Christmas, and I tell you, glitter was everywhere, and with me being sick, I'm a little behind the times, but I am catching up. So all of the Christmas decor is down and gone, and so now it's just cleaning up, and no tidying, and putting things back into place for the winter months. It's still winter here. It's still cold. It's just not Christmas. So I am going to leave up, you'll see, as we go through the refreshes of rooms, that I'm leaving up some of the Christmas greenery, of course the trees and all the bells and the whistles are gone. But you know how it is outside, so there's still the evergreens and that kind of thing. So I'm leaving some of those up. Not putting a whole lot of flowery stuff around yet. It's not quite spring, but it's coming. So that's what we'll be doing here. Excuse me. I'm sorry. And what I think I'll do is just pop in and out because, like I said before, I don't want to cough all over you guys, and put this to some music. So I hope you will enjoy the video, and be sure to stay to the end. I'll see you in a bit.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. Sometimes everything Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love. Fall.
So friends, I thought I'd pop in just to say hello and to let you know what's been going on. As I said, I've been down with bronchitis. We did go to the beach for New Year's, just the two of us because I was coughing, so we didn't want to be around too many people. But that was nice to get out of here. And then when I got back, I had all of the Christmas stuff to take down. But I'm getting back to normal. So I wanted to introduce myself for those of you that may be new. I am Clearissa Coward, and this is A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa Coward. And it is a lifestyle channel, and we clean here as we're doing today. We do decorating videos, shopping hauls, the occasional cooking video, and lots and lots of organization, which will be coming along. So you can look forward to all of that coming along very soon. Now, if you are new to my channel, let me say welcome and leave me a comment below if you are new and let me know. I'd like to give you a special shout out and say hello to you. I'm so glad that you're here and you've joined our little corner of the world. For those of you that are my ride or dies that follow no matter what, you know how I feel about you. I love you. I love you. I love you. And I'm so glad you're here for 2023 as well. We're going to continue what we were doing and only make it better. I have some great ideas for the channel coming up in 2023, and I hope you'll stick around and find out what they are. Let's enjoy this together. Okay? Now I'm going to put this back to music and let you guys watch the rest of the video.
Sure we had fun tonight. You and me felt alright. But it's time you pick up your phone. You won't be worth my while. Me and you won't work out. Pick it up, pack it up, get a cab and go. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I ain't got room for love. I don't need stars above. All I need is my precious space. Yeah. Why you so serious? Can't you just be mine for a night, my love? Take it off, put it on, then be on your way. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been through hurt before. I've been through hell and more.
Friends, I am not happy with those cords under that table, even though from the bottom of the stairs you don't see them very well. So I have got to find a way to disguise those. I'm going to be working on that. But right now we're just going to do the floor. We're about to finish up, and then I will take you around and show you how everything looks. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. I've tried to come in and out so that I wasn't coughing throughout the video so that you could actually enjoy it. And that you'll come back next time, and hopefully there will be less coughing or no coughing at all, which would be my prayer. But again, I will ask you to, if you're enjoying this video, please don't leave without leaving me a big thumbs up. That helps my channel. Also, share the video with someone else you think that may enjoy it. That also helps my channel. Maybe a friend or family member. Let them know that we're over here and invite them to come along for the ride. And with that said, my friends, I am going to set it back to music. But before I do, I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, hugs, and blessings, reminding you to find something today to bring joy into your life. And once you do, share it with someone else. You'll be so glad that you did. It'll make you feel so good. And so that I don't start coughing all over you, friends, I'm going to leave now. So I hope you have a blessed day. Enjoy the rest of your week. And remember, always be joyful. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
East Coast, always in me. Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Got my own rise.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
Still to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, baby. East Coast, always in me. Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet.
always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own